Wazichamane neminyaka 24 wagwetywa iminyaka emihlanu entolongweni yaseThekwini kodwa wachitha emithathu kule ntolongo. Kungoku nje ugqibezela isigwebo sakhe ngaphandle kususela ngoDisemba kulo nyaka ophelileyo.
After I lost my family, my mother in 2011, I started losing control. I started leaving school, so I joined a group that was not doing the right things, doing negative things. So in 2016, I got arrested for this robbery.
Umphathiso wezobulungisa mnumzana Ronald Lamula uthi kuvumelekile kuba baqesho abo bakabachitha ixesha labo entolongweni.
We have tried our best to clarify that it's not illegal to hire anyone with a criminal record, but it is allowed, and particularly where it has been proven that this person has undergone some kind of program of rehabilitation and can contribute in terms of the scheme. Obviously, there are those categories like sexual offenses and so forth, and if they appear in that register, obviously you will not be, there are categories where they cannot work. So that is the only exception.
Isebe lezifundo eGauteng lidiza kubamba ingxoxo nesebe lemfundo ephakamileyo mayelana nokubhaliswa kwabafundi abangamabanjwa kumaziko emfundo ephakamileyo kweli.